We all know that T says t, t, t. And H says but when we put them together, TH says th, 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 th. TH also has another sound. TH also says the. The th sound. For example, tooth, tooth. This, three, think, three, think. So again, TH has two sounds, the th sound and the sound. The. We all know that S says S, S, and H says when we put them together, SH say shh, shh, shh. Many words start with the S and H, the sh sound. For example, shh, shark, shoes, fish. This sound has two letters, C and H. We all know that C says k and sometimes ts, k, k, ts, ts. And H says when we put them together, C, H, say ch, 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 ch. Many words start with the C and H, the ch sound. For example, ch, ch, chicken, chair, cheese. This sound has two letters, P and H. We all know that P says p, p, p. And H says but when we put them together, PH does something crazy. Are you ready to know? PH makes the same sound as the letter F. I'm serious. PH says many words start with the P and H sound. Phone, alphabet, this sound has two letters, W and H. We all know that W says w, W, W. And H says when we put them together, W, H say just kidding! Actually, when we put them together, the H becomes silent. That means that it makes no sound at all. If the H is silent, W and H say exactly what the W says. W, 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 W. Many words start with the W and H, the W sound. For example, W, W. Why? Whale. Wheel. This sound has two letters, W and R. W says W, W, W. And R says When we put them together, the W becomes silent. That means that it makes no sound at all. W and R say exactly what the R says. Many words start with the W and R sound. For example,
right, wrong, wrap.
Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, Q and U. Sometimes Q says k, k, and U says or U. When we put them together, QU says qu, 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 qu. Many words start with the Q and U, the qu sound. For example, quack, queen, quiet. Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, N and G. We all know that N says and G says g, g. When we put them together, and G says Many words end with the N and G sound, or have the N and G sound in them. For example, sing
La.
King, wrong.
Let's look at this sound. This sound has two letters, K and N. We all know that K says k and N says When we put them together, the K becomes silent. That means that it makes no sound at all. If the K is silent, K and N say exactly what the N says. Many words start with the K and N sound. For example, knock, knife. Until next time.